isa sa mga ultimate dreams nga namin. We will travel the world together.
Wow.
Kaya medyo mahirap pero malay natin, libre kami ni Sir Lex.
In this final episode of our Honeymoon in Sagada series, we get to ask Marco and Karla, where are they going from here on? And now, we get to know the answer. At LexGo, we explore the joy of traveling and the pursuit of meaningful journeys. If it's your first time to the channel, consider subscribing.
Yung tampuhan ng matagal. Pero mas masakit pa pala yun sa physical, di ba? Parang pag hindi, lalo na pag hindi na kayo nag-uusap, parang ay, alakay na pala ng problema. Kailangan i-workout, parang kailangan may isa na mag-giveaway or kailangan na kausapin yung isa.
Sana maging successful pa siya sa work niya kasi alam ko naman na masipag siya para rin sa family namin.
I would like na mag-retire kami to a place na ganito para ma-enjoy lang namin yung isa't isa.
Siguro pagtanda namin, may isip namin yung mga bagay na pinagdaanan namin. Nakakwento namin yun sa magiging anak namin.
We've finally reached the end of the trip of Marco and Karla. It has been a very memorable shoot and moments for all of us. If you want to join me in my travels, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube and my Facebook channels as I will be rolling out more free trips for everyone like you.